Hi everyone, welcome back to lecture 2 of MCP. In the last video, we have discussed about the basics of MCP, what actually MCP do and why we need it. So, as we are continuing with our project also, let me just explain you the overview of the things, how it will work, so that you can better connect it and also code it simultaneously. So our project is a resume extractor. So this is end-to-end flow, and how the things will work. At the place of user, think about yourself that you are requesting agent and sending that you want to extract and rank a resume for GitHub user which match your job description. So what user send request to agent, then agent and decide to use the resume extractor skill, and like we have the three parts: skill, user, and agent here. So user are the one who is interacting with the agent, and skill is one which the MCP created, and we will going to create it also. Like how we have to extract the data, which are the tools available for the agent, so that it can perform an action. What I mean by tool is that here the tool name is extract resume. If we don't have this tool, and we also call it is also similar to action, so it not the agent will never have a power to extract the resume until you provide that skill to it. So you have to build this tool and register with the MCP, so any agent can use it. Could be your Grok, Gemini, or any LLM agent. Then after that, the user send the request, and agent decide to use the tool to extract the GitHub resume. Then what it will receive from the MCP server, it will receive structure result from the skill, and then agent format and send response to the user. Okay, so if you can see here, let's read more about the skill and tool. So what this skill does, it's going to fetch your GitHub data. Basically, skills are the one which give agent to interact with the workspace and extract the data from it. If you don't have those skills or tool, then it never going to perform the action. So first it will going to fetch GitHub data, get user profile. If you are not able to understand it, don't worry, later while we will code, you will going to understand it more clearly. So fetch GitHub data, get user profile, repository, readme, contribution, etc. And then what this LLM will going to do, it will going to analyze your skills, experience, and project. Then it going to generate the resume based on the data it get, and the how the user want the resume. Maybe he want the resume of 1 page, 2 page. So according to that, and we're going to leave about it. It's not okay. So let me just go on the code. So first, this is the basic setup I took for the MCP, so that you can understand step phase by phase. I will took it. For now I keep it so simple so that you easily can understand it and also know what is happening where. So like first we imported all the libraries, and here we instantiated and your MCP, and we give it the name GitHub Skills. And here you can see we created a tool, and here we, if you're going to remove this line, then it is a simple function, it don't have any meaning, but this decorator help it to register with the MCP. So you can see it here. Then the tool be which your agent will going to use it, we gave it get GitHub profile. If we never gave it or never created it, the agent will never going to use these skills. So how it will then going to get your GitHub profile? Obviously it can't. You need to provide it away. So here now it going to get the data, and this will going to convert it into a JSON format. So here we will going to run it now, and for the example I took my own repository Hillhack, and now I'm going to run it for you guys so that you can see it. If you're going to see it, we get the data all, and it's in a JSON format. So the login name is Hillhack, and you see all the things like the bio is data science student, Twitter username none, and repo is 14. So this is basically a tool we created which the agent will going to use. Now we will